Hey guys, welcome back this week. I'm going to be coloring my hair with this Revlon color. It's Color Silk. Comes with the lovely gloves. I use whichever brand of color is on sale, to be honest, so I always have to double check the little instruction insert to see how long I need to leave it on. Now Revlon comes with a bottle of color and the processor that you need to mix with it. So I'm going to go ahead and combine those. Put the little lid on. I've already cut the tip out of the lid right up here. And then it also comes with this nice little conditioning packet for after color. So once you combine the two, just shake well. Okay, looks like it's combined pretty well. You can even see a little bit of there in the tip. I'm going to pull a mirror over here so I can make sure I'm covering everything. Okay, so I just start in the part right down at the root and then just go about a ½ inch over, and I just keep doing this. I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to literally watch me go over my Okay, now this one seems a little watery than most I've used, but we've got it fully saturated, and just as soon as my 25 minutes is up, I'll be back. Well, actually, after my 25 minutes, I'm going to jump in the shower and rinse it out, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. And I don't know if this one isn't as creamy as others because it's the ammonia-free. I'm not sure. This is interesting, so we'll go ahead and finish it up, but I'll be back in just a little while. Hey guys, so I've got out of the shower, just kind of blow dried it. I didn't try to style it because we want to try to highlight it. We're going to use L'Oreal's Colorista. Alright, but I did just want to talk about the Color Silk ammonia free. I did notice when I was just drying my hair and kind of pulling it here and there, I could still see down around some of the roots there was gray. So may not get this one again unless I get 2 boxes and saturate it, you know, harder. Like I told you when I was coloring it, the texture felt different. It wasn't as creamy, and so I wasn't sure about it anyway. But you know, other than that, I mean, it was an easy process. There's not a lot to mix and things like that. The conditioner, as you can see, I do have perm in my hair, but my hair is extremely fine. So if I put conditioner in my hair and I don't put mousse or something in it, it practically straightens the perm. So that's what this is all about right here. But because I knew I was going to highlight it, I didn't go ahead and put anything in it. But, you know, if you have short hair, this one box might do. But I think next time, if I use it again, I'm going to have to use 2 boxes. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and open up the Colorista, get everything laid out, and we're going to try something new. Okay guys, so I have pinned my hair up a little bit, and I've read all the instructions. Now, just to show you everything that came with it, you had this bottle of cream that I poured the pouch, here we go, that I poured the pouch of bleach into, and then I had to shake that till it became combined. Then there was a tube called lightning cream, and I had to pierce the top of that, pour it also in here, and shake until everything was combined. Okay, and then I pinned up my hair. I'm going to try to do this in layers, and because this is a little different. This has this really unique brush with it. You can kind of see there. Whoops, I'm sorry. You can kind of see it there. And what you do is you put the liquid down in between the teeth, and then you're going to brush it through. And I like the idea of this one better than pulling the strands of hair through a cap. So now that I have this mixed completely, it comes with a little tip that you'll use to spread the color or the bleach on your brush. So I'm going to do that now. And I do have a towel behind me on my chair, and I'm sitting on a towel just in case there's any drips. And of course the clothes I'm wearing doesn't matter. Alright, so here I go. Okay, so I've got it on the brush. And I'm going to go to the back of the hair. And it says start about 1/4 of an inch from the root, and then just kind of back it up into it and pull it through. Okay. I am not going to go over it the same spot multiple times because I don't want to get into the other part of the hair, or it'll just completely, you know, color all of my hair instead of streaking it. So I'm just going to pull it through. I was just kind of looking in the mirror at it, and my fear using the brush was it wouldn't get the tips, and I'm seeing that in spots, you know, where I can see the bleach working, and then all of a sudden down here it's not. So I have come back over because there was plenty left, and I'm just kind of going through with my fingers, checking out some spots. Now this one's okay, it's working. But there were several, this one seems okay, several places in here I'm seeing where the highlight is only so far down. So, any place I see, I'm going to pick it up and just put a little bit of the bleach on my fingers and pull it through, all the way through to the tips, like that. Hey, I won't make you watch me do that. I just thought I would show you what I was finding in case you decided to try the method with the brush. Okay, okay guys, so there's good and bad. Good in that the product itself gave me those camel color highlights that I like. Bad in the application process because, let me find some spots. Well, like here, for example, it really saturated in one area so far down. Well, you can tell it even up here in the camera. Okay, so the brush method, I think, sucks. The color, so the product itself is fantastic. What I think I'm going to have to do to fix this is, and over here's another spot. What I think I'm going to have to do to fix it is just go buy some dark hair color and run it through. I'm not going to color everything. I want some of the highlights to be left in here. So I think I'm just going to maybe take gloved fingers and just go into these areas like this, and I'm just going to pull through some dark and try to fix it. Yeah, see right there? That's just terrible. So, L'Oreal Colorista brush, fail. The L'Oreal Colorista product itself, the bleach itself, does exactly what it needs to do. So I would definitely buy the product again. I just would not use the brush. Okay, so I did want to share this with you since I had never done anything like that, especially if you had seen this in stores and thought about trying it. So you can kind of see what it did. Okay, so I'll be back after I try to fix it with another color. And I hate to process it 3 times, but I mean, you know, you can't live with it like this, can you? So I'll be back. Okay guys, here we sit again. And I have gone back to a Revlon ash brown. Just shaking it up. And we're going to use gloves and just pull through. And I think the next time I have to color, I'm going to get maybe a couple shades of brown and the bleach again and do it all with fingered, gloved fingers. Just pull and pull and pull colors here and there and get a nice mix in my hair instead of going all dark and then trying to highlight. I think I'm going to try it that way. That way I'm only processing once. Now we get it mixed. I'm going to use this little plastic bowl and I'm just going to squirt in the color. Just get me a little bit in there like that so I can dip my fingers in. And we're just going to start finding places that we want to pull some color through. Like right here. I'm going to just pull it through. Right over and over. Okay, fine. I'll get in here. Here. And one to one. All the way up to it. Okay. So I'm going to do a little one. And then go down to it. Just so it's not okay. Feel hot. Okay. Pan color. And there. 1, 2. That's cool. And we know that on this side, I have a lot of area that hurts me. So, there you go. Now just turn some color too. One little. Okay guys, I am back and you can see it knocked down a lot of it, but I was light-handed, not wanting to lose much, and so I still have spots, but I'm not too worried about that. No more than that is that'll probably rarely even show, so I'm happy with it. Seeing like right here, but I do still have some of the highlights running through, so I'm happy with that. Typically my hair is going to be like, you know, something like this when I wear it. So I think it's okay. Every now and then it's off to the side more like that. Or it's going to be pulled up all together. So I think it's okay. Anyway, just wanted to take you guys through the process with me. I will continue to color and highlight my hair at home. Just the next time I do it, I am going to do it the way I described earlier with the gloved fingers. Just literally going in piece by piece and coloring with 3 different shades. So maybe I'll record that one too. Alright, you guys have a great day. Bye.